'cause I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave my. I need an angel to save me from myself, holding my savior, keep my heart upon the shelf. Do you remember?
Did you get your pictures taken today? Hmm? Did you get your pictures taken today?
Yes.
Yes.
Cover that. Cover that.
Alright, help Jackson with his. Maddie!
I'm messy.
Little one right here is chilling out on the floor. You need to go home. Because you're not messing up this carpet that I just cleaned. Jackson, go get your jacket from over there, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Madison.
Mommy.
Yes? Maddie.
Jackson, you're leaning on the chair.
Maddie's in her own little world. Juju, go home. Why?
Because I want to charge it. Daddy won't give me his password.
Maddie. Oh, Lord.
Why don't you make your own meat? One. Why? What if you forget? Huh? What if you forget? Mine is. Why would I forget? That's the least password I can get. Mine is. No, no type with the password. I mean, one for the email. I just got text. No, you didn't. Dad's asleep. Yeah, she's not actually texting.
Stop. You're being rude. You're being very rude. Anyways, my husband is home. He's sleeping. He has to go to the night job, so I have to keep these ones.
Make macaroni and cheese.
I'm making macaroni and cheese?
Yeah.
No, I'm making rice to go with the leftover fish.
Mom,
yeah.
I'll just have rice again.
Oh well.
I'll just like rice again too.
Why do you smell like stale perfume? What are you doing? So dinner's going. I'm making rice to go with leftover fish. And Jackson, I have to work out before the evening's over. I went for my walk earlier, so I have to get my workout in. I'm doing T25 now. I've completed that 3 times. This is my 4th time doing T25. I completed it and got my t-shirt. And after that, I'm doing 21-day fix. And then after 21-day fix, I'm moving on to Insanity Max 30. Don't do that. The baby's down there. Juju, get off of that, man. Can you guys put him in his house? Put him in his house. Because while the baby's down here, I don't want him. Don't chase him. Juju, go home. He will go home. Juju, go home.
Go. Oh, it's good.
And so I gotta do that. I edited the vlog for today, so you guys got that today, and then you guys are getting a vlog
Why can't you say
on Tuesday, and then you guys are getting this on Wednesday, so that you're not watching old stale vlogs.
Mommy, why can't you say a day that you just vlogged it, like edited it? Because when you post it, they don't know which day you did, like today.
I'm sure they know.
I don't think they know.
So, And exciting news, I want to share so much with you guys, but these little ears are just like everywhere. But yours truly is working on something really, really big for these little ones. And if you guys know what I'm talking about, it's gonna be a surprise for them for Christmas. So we are excited for that. It's gonna cost us a lot of money, but the sacrifice is worth it. And yeah, the sacrifice is real. Like,
is it a house?
Really real. What do you think?
It's a pool.
It's a pool?
I have 2 questions.
What?
When I get a car, can you guys teach me how to drive?
When you get a car?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
And my second question is, Jason, which place are we living in?
So yeah, I'm excited for that, and that's like the thing that's been pulling me out of my funk, is just, you know, the preparation for that, and doing all the hard work, you know, and getting things in order, and you know, it's just, it's fun. It's fun, and
look, Mommy.
I'm excited for that, and I want to take you guys along for the process for that. So look out for those. Look out for that.
Mommy.
I feel like I'm everywhere. This is what I'm talking about with my anxiety medicine. Like before, when I was on my anxiety medicine, I could complete a whole thought. Jaxson. And I could complete a whole thought, but right now I feel like my anxiety gets so that I can't even complete my thought or focus, or I don't know. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go finish dinner, work out, and I will see you guys later.
Oh, look, Mommy.
What am I looking at?
Look, that. What I just did. Look.
What's up, Jaxson? What's up, Jaxson?
Hey.
What's up? What's up, man? What do you want? What do you want? Go put. I'm waiting on this video thing to start, and it's just ridiculous how long those commercials are. Girl got her Susan. Got my Susie on. I'm about to work out my fat. Gonna make my fat cry. And make the fat cry. So you can watch me make the fat cry, okay? Let's get started. Let me get some of these stuff off this card, and then we shall start. I'm so thirsty. Turn that off. Turn that off. Okay, so this is it for today's vlog. I will see you guys tomorrow. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
Look.
What, Eliana?
Look.
That's pretty.